One of the most important browser a lot of iPhone users use on their device is what we call Brave browsers. But so many of users don't know these settings and they ignore it. So if you are one of them, I will encourage you guys to set these important settings to protect tracking or any unnecessary activities on your device using Brave browser. So on your device, open the Brave browser, tap on these three dots, then tap on all settings. The first thing you have to take a look at here is to protect or prevent the device from fingerprinting. How will you achieve this? Tap on settings, then go and tap on shield and privacy. Now scroll up here until you get to fingerprinting, this button. Make sure that this button is turned on. If it is off on your own, make sure it is turned on. Make it harder for sight to recognize your device distinctive characteristics like the screenshot, the size and others. So make sure that this button is turned on your device. That's the first setting you need to take a look at. The second setting you need to take a look at is protect against tracking. Still on the same page, that is shields and privacy. Tap on it. Now locate and tap on tracking and ads blocking. That is tracker and ad blocking. Then you have little arrow here that is prevent ad, pop-ups and tracker from loading. Tap on it, then select aggressive. So this setting, these apps or browser will prevent most of the ads and pop-up ads on your device when you use these apps. The last but not the least settings on this is to stop sending usage data. Still under the same shield and privacy on your device. Then scroll up until you get to allow privacy preserving product analytics. So if this button is turned off, tap on it and turn it off. This private response helps Brave estimate the overall usage of certain features and make them better for you. So turn off these settings to enjoy the best of the Brave browser on your device. If you like this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to share this and let me know what you think about these apps in the comment section.